Hello students, I Shaba Vadva from the US Jain Public School. Today we will do the next topic of the chapter How do organisms reproduce. The topic we had started earlier, that is the asexual mode of reproduction. What do you mean by asexual reproduction? In it, single parent is involved to give rise new young one or new offspring. Development of new individual without the fusion of male and female gamete is known as asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is further having different types, many types. That is, first is by fission, second is by budding, third is by regeneration. So first is by fission. What is fission? The fission is mostly occur in the protozoan. It is a further of two types, that is binary fission and multiple fission. So what is binary fission? One cell divided into two is known as binary fission. In this, amoeba give rise to two new organisms. First of all, the nucleus get elongated and divide. Then the amoeba divide into two halves. So this is known as binary fission. Binary fission. In the binary fission, this fission occur only mainly in the unicellular organisms. It lead to creation of new individual. Many bacteria and protozoans simply split into two equal halves during cell division. In organisms such as amoeba, the splitting of two cells during division can take place in any plane. So it occurs in any plane in the amoeba. Amoeba is an example of protozoan. But in the Leishmania, the division occur in the definite pattern. First of all, the nucleus divided by mitotic division, and the division of nucleus is followed by division of cytoplasm. In the paramecium, transfer binary fission occur. Coelenterate, annelids, what happened? Tuberculins, what happened? Transfer binary fission occur. Euglena, longitudinal binary fission occur. So these are the type of binary fission. So the division occur in the specific pattern. But in the amoeba, the fission occur not in a specific pattern. Multiple other single cell organisms such as malarial parasite, Plasmodium, divide into many daughter cells simultaneously. So this is known as multiple fission. Next method of asexual reproduction is fragmentation. Fragmentation occurs in Spirogyra. In multicellular organisms with relatively simple body organization, simple reproductive method work. For example, in Spirogyra, it simply break up into smaller pieces. Upon maturation, these pieces or fragments grow into new individual. So in Spirogyra, it is a plant. What happen? It break down into pieces and each piece or fragment develop into new Spirogyra. Next topic is regeneration. Next method of asexual reproduction is regeneration. It also occurs in the multicellular organisms. If the individual is somehow cut or broken up into many pieces, many of these pieces grow into separate individual This process is known as regeneration. So some individual have capacity or have ability to form the new body parts, to form new individual from their body parts. For example, simple animal like Hydra and Planaria can be cut into any number of pieces. So this diagram is of Planaria, and it is clear from the diagram that the parent Planaria is cut into 3 pieces. Each piece gives rise to new organism. So this process is called regeneration. Regeneration is carried out by specialized cells. These cells proliferate and make large number of cells. From this mass of cell, different cells undergo changes to become various cell types and tissues. These changes take place in an organized sequence referred to as development. So, what is the difference between the regeneration and fragmentation? Fragmentation occurs in the multicellular organisms, and regeneration is also occur in the multicellular organisms. Fragmentation, the organism, they are having simple body organization, but the regeneration process occur in the organism which are having complex body organization. In the fragmentation, no specialized cells are involved. But in the regeneration, we know that specialized cells, they proliferate and form a mass of cell. So this mass of cell, changes will be there, and growth also occur, and a new individual is formed. Next method of asexual reproduction is budding. Organisms such as Hydra use regenerative cells for reproduction in the process of budding. In Hydra, a bud develops as an outgrowth due to the repeated cell division at one specific site. These buds develop into tiny individual, and when fully mature, they detach from parent body and become new independent individual. You see here a new individual. It is grow as an outgrowth in the parent body. This Hydra is parent Hydra. So first of all, a bud arises here, and this bud grow in size, and when it is fully mature, it simply detach from the parent body and survive as new individual. This process is known as budding. In many simple multicellular organisms, specific reproductive parts can be identified. The thread-like structure that develop into the bread are hyphae of the bread mold. Okay, what is this? This is the Rhizopus plant. Okay, this is the Rhizopus. Rhizopus is also known as bread mold. In this blob-like structure is known as sprangium, and the stick-like structure, it is known as hyphae. Okay, in it the blob on the stick is present, so we call to the stick hyphae, and to the blob we call sprangium. So in the sprangium, the reproductive part is present, which is known as spores. Spores are also known as cells, and these spores are the reproductive part of the bread mold. Another name of bread mold is Rhizopus. The blob are what? Blob are sporangia. The spores, these spores develop into new rhizopus under the favorable condition. The spores are covered by thick wall that protect them until they come into the contact with another moist surface and can begin to grow. These spores, they are covered with the thick wall into the in the unfavorable condition, but when the favorable condition come, then these spores, these thickened wall, it will break down and the spore develop into new rhizopus. Okay, what is that condition? That is the moistened surface. Okay, they need moist surface, okay, to grow. So this process is known as spore formation.